Welcome back to utahmarijuana.org and the Step 2 video to apply for a Utah Medical Marijuana card. Again, we're going to go to login.utah.gov after our QMP has done the certification. Once we log into there, we can then go to evs.utah.gov. evs.utah.gov and log back into the patient portal. Once we're in the patient portal, hover over Tracking Inbox on the top left. Click on Patient to bring up your personal information. This will bring you to a page that will show you across the bottom your name and status, which should say awaiting payment. If it does not say awaiting payment, we won't be able to make the payment, and you'll need to go back to your QMP for more information and for some help. Click on your own patient information name and you'll come to this tab screen where you'll hover over the Payment tab. Click New Payment. You must at this point have your pop-up blocker turned off. The best way to do this is from a desktop or a laptop computer. Mobile devices tend to be really difficult in this to turn off the pop-ups. You'll click the blue button, click here to pay, which at that point will bring up a pop-up window and direct you to a different area of the government's website. This is where the pop-up blocker will hinder you every time. Once this pops up, you'll enter your credit card information and confirm the payment. You'll be redirected back to the EVS system where you can double check your status by hovering over Tracking Inbox, clicking Patient. It will then pull up your personal information and your status will change to awaiting state review. If your status is still awaiting payment, then that payment did not get submitted and you'll need to go back through the process. Once this is complete, simply watch your email. The state looks over your application and will send you a card within a few days. If you have any questions at all, reach out to us at utahmarijuana.org through the chat feature or 801-851-5554. Again, this is Tim Pickett with utahmarijuana.org. Thanks for watching.